Assalamu alaikum brother. Now I was created a new merchant. So I will show you uh, loyalty loyalty redeem loyalty system. So first you need to define redeem loyalty. So how much points will be on your merchant per parcel. So you need to define this point from your setting section. So I added 5 per parcel. 5 points will be win. So now you need to define how much point equal to $1. So I was put it 10 points equal to $1. Now I will create parcel. Also I need to log in this merchant panel. Now delivery. So log it successfully. So now I will go to the redeem loyalty points. Then you will see 0 points. Your does not have your any parcel delivered, so that's why it's 0. So also you can see currently $1 equal to 10 points. Then I will deliver some parcel. I need to create redeem test 2. So now I pause this video parcel creating. So now I was created 3 parcel on this merchant, so I need to deliver on 3 parcel. So I pause this video. Now I show you merchant current balance. So if I go to the dashboard, you will see the current balance is 0 on this merchant. And also if I see on this merchant list, you will see the current balance is 0 and loyalty point 0 and $0. So I will deliver on this parcel. So now I want us delivered it. If I see on this merchant how much points he win, so 5 points per parcel he was win received. So and also you can see the 0.1 0.5 dollar. So we was defined it on we was defined it in backend redeem setup. So $10 equal to 10 points equal to $1. So I will deliver and 2 parcel. So now I will deliver on 2 parcels. Now I will deliver deliver this parcel and deliver this parcel. So now I will show you how much point on this merchant is received. So 3 parcel he was received 15 points. So 15 points equal to $1.5. So if I see on this merchant list, so also here, and his current balance $291. That means he's payable to on this dollar. If I see how much current balance on this parcel, I will be view and per parcel current balance payable balance $97. So $97 equal to into 97 into 3, so $291. So now I need to redeem $1. So I uh, I need to click on this button between this date. So otherwise these points will be expired and will be removed from this point balance. So I need to redeem uh, $1. So I will redeem from mobile apps. So if I go log in merchant web, I need to log in. So this merchant email is, which one is merchant email, and login is, something is problem, delay, my apps problem. So not apps problem it's my um, emulator problem. So if I again open, so I need to reopen this emulator. Please wait. So it was caching problem, so I was cleared my apps cache. So now I need to log in this merchant. So log it successfully. If I check balance, so also here now currently uh, available balance is $291. So it's only partial payable balance. So if I go to the redeem loyalty points, you can see having 15 points equal to $1.5. So currently $1 equal to 10 points. So you can also see transaction. So how much points you was received. So I need to redeem $1. So $1 equal to 10 points. So I will add in current balance. So now 10 points expense from this loyalty redeem loyalty section. So you will see how much dollar you was added in current balance. So if I go to the check balance, then you will see the $1 added on this available balance. So previous balance was 291. So then I was added $1. So that's why $292. So I need to clear on this payment. So if I need to go invoice, I will generate a invoice, and then I will payment. I will create a payment, redeem to. So I have available balance $292. So I need to clear. So I need to first create a merchant account. So I will create a merchant account from this panel, payment information, create a payment account, bank, redeem test. So runs something, nothing. I will save. Now I will go to the backend, redeem $292 checkout process from Shebash paid. So yeah, so I was paid at $292. So if I see the on this merchant, so not here the current balance, I was paid full payment. So if I also see the merchant web panel current balance, not here. So paid, total paid $292. So if I also redeem loyalty points, uh, it's here. If I go to the mobile apps, check balance, not here. So I need to pay it in this merchant invoice. I will view invoice, go to invoice, then I will pay it, then you will again check this balance. So delivered amount is 00 and clearable parcel are here 0. So this is your loyalty system. Thank you.